some kind of a little triangular dart point or something. It ain't bad. Nothing to brag about, but kind of cool. Later. Look at that big bass. Too bad, that's a big one. Right in the edge of the water, it washed it right out. Nice nutting stain. Nice colorful stain. Oh, there's a big hole in the back too. Nice hole in that one. Big hole in that side, man. Look how deep that one is. Nothing on the side. It's been fire popped. You know, it's been in the fire, but I'll take that one. I better do some looking around here. I'll be back if I find anything else. This looks nice. Later. Pretty good area. You can see all this ancient fire rock in my screen. It's just everywhere. I'm right in a fire hearth digging. Right there's a broken blade that would have just been awesome. Right here's a little tool, little river pebble tool. It's all worked around that edge. I'm gonna have to take this out in the water again. I can't hold my screen when I find other stuff. See, there's another little flake right off a point, probably manufacturer. But I'll be back. I'm gonna find a point. So this is what you want to look for later. I'm in a bunch of fire rock. I didn't get this all the way sifted out yet, but I've got what looks like a point right here. It's pulled out. It's some kind of little blade tool. Looks like it's pretty nice. It's not bad. It's made nice. Nice black flint. Well, I'll get back if I find anything else later. The area. Wall of a bank here. It's all coming down. You can see the fire rock in here. Right here's what we want to look at. It's a river pebble cobble that's flint or chert, and you can see it's worked on the end. This is going to be a flint celt. Yeah, it's been in a fire, but it's black river pebble. You can see the cortex of it there. You can see where they struck it all down, and you can see the use wear on the bed. That's kind of a cool piece. It's whole. It's just how it was left. Not a great piece, but I'll take it all day long. Later.